response with the water and storage explorer tool. Yes, sir. I'll wait. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. No, sir. Oh, oh, busy. Yes, sir. Please complete all the practice for the next class. Yeah, that's also. Please complete all the practice for the next. Let's get started now. Let's get started. Our requirement. Let's understand here. Yes, correct. We can start next. Our requirement. We learn how to work with the storage account, right? And how to create the storage account, how to perform operations of the storage account. Here in the storage account, we have security items. Number one, access key. Purpose of access key, complete admin related action. Complete admin item. Hope you are writing your running notes, everyone. Yes, please. Yes, sir. Hope you are writing your running notes. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Hope you are writing a running notes. Right? We need it. Let's connect. And if you're being absent for a class, please let us know in advance so that I can record the class and send it. Appropriate information. No compromise, please. Let's continue. Because those advanced notice that we can have appropriate settings before we launch the bit. Let's continue where we are. Go to storage account. Hope you are writing your observation notes. And here it is, access key. You see something called access key. What's the purpose? Admin operations. The person who has this key can do admin activities. Observe carefully. Okay, so here it is. Observe carefully here. Let's continue our requirement. Please write your observation now. Here it is. Click on show. Okay, click on show. You get a key and you copy it separately. We are going to use it for database migrations next item. So key would be like this. Have a look at it. Key would be in this way. Have a look at it carefully. Okay, next. Here this book. No timestamp, right? Observe there. No timestamp, nothing. Just to get a regular key, an encrypted character data. Now, come on, how you get it? I'll repeat. Go to all resources. What's next? Click on the storage account. Next, search for access. Exactly. We have to look for the access key. Like go to access, and once we have the access key given, you see show key. Like click on show. We can rotate the key. For now, copy the key. There are two keys. Key one, key. One can be static, fixed for trusted connections. Other one can be keep on rotating, dynamic for ad hoc users. Say on and off users. Definitely, there should be a priority, right? On and off users, there should be a priority. There will be. Now, copy like trusted, consistent connections can have one key. On and off users. Why like this? Reason. For a trusted, consistent, recurring connection, if you keep changing the key, it will be a problem. Maintenance problem. We can't expect the application owners to keep on resetting the configuration keys again and again. It will be once in a quarter, once in a year activity, resetting the configuration key. So we require a static key, a standard, secure, trusted. For other connections, you may have a dynamic. Other option, this for the complete admin permission removal. Other option we have something called shared access, also called SAS. Shared access signature. See here. Shared access signature. Okay. Observe carefully. Shared access signature. What does it mean? In shared access signature, we need to select the resource type. We need to select the resource type and the generate SAS for specific permissions like read, write permission. Generate SAS for a particular set of permissions. For example, you would like to have it only for read permission. Remember, here also we can create two keys. Say one key for read, one for write. This is called key one. Generate SAS. Read and write. It can be key two. Click on generate SAS. What we are doing here? We are understanding how to create access key, admin permission, or SAS key, specific read or write permission. How the SAS key looks like? This one. SAS token is there, right? SAS token. We see one timestamp and two more timestamps. What are these? Here you go. Unlike access key, in SAS key we can specify start time for activating the key and end the time. Say for example, like I would like to start it from August 1st. I would like to make it active until August end, like and IP address, we can specify the range of IP address. Leave it blank, any IP address is allowed, or you can give some A-B format. Range of IP address. Generate SAS, and you get like start IP, start date, end date, and this will be the SAS key generation base. Simply say the format would be like here you. So earlier access key, now SAS. Access key is always account level. SAS key can be at account level. Next, here we go. Account level. Inside account. Inside the account, we have something called containers. This one. Remember, earlier SAS level read or write permission, complete account. Now go to container page. You remember the yesterday's class? Storage account, container, etc.
Yes, sir.
Left side you see shared access token. This one. Click on shared access token, and here you will see read key one, maybe read permission, key two, read and write permission. For now, read permission, start date, end date, IP address, and generate sense. Earlier account level, now only container level. Observe that. Account level and now container level. Save way. Next. Inside the container, so go to container here, click on the container. So here it is. Observe carefully. Observe there now. What I did, click on container, right? Here we go. Right click file. Hope you're writing your running notes. We're going in a slow pace. Right click file. Generate SAS. What is missing here? Access keys are missing. Remember, access key is only for complete account level. For individual service items, we need to go for access as. Click on generate SAS. Click on generate SAS. It will take you to generate SAS tab. Permission, read or create, write permission, and generate SAS. Optional start and validity types for the SAS key and IP. This gives you the SAS token. Right. So what we are learning now, we're understanding two important items: access key, complete account level admin. Complete account level admin. or other one, task key. Task key means individual, say account level or service level. Here we go. Have a look at it. Access key, admin level permission, task key, account level, or service level, container, table, etc. Right? Okay. Next. With this information, let's understand third one, IAM, identity and access management. We are going to use these security items for our next examples. For example, we go for on-premise SQL DB migration. We need access. For Power BI data analytics, we require SAS. IAM, identity and access management. We use Azure Active Directory. Observe carefully. Azure AD. And implement something called RBAC, means role-based access control. There are predefined rules: owner rule, contributor rule, and reader rule. Observe carefully. Okay, let's. So for this purpose, owner, contributor, reader rule. Go to storage account. Go to storage account. And here you see Active Directory. This Azure Active Directory. Okay, click on Active Directory. Next. Left side you see users. Okay, so here click on user, new user. Okay, this one, create new user. Hope you are writing your observation. Once you create new user, username. Okay, give username. I'll say, for example, str user. Only here. Str user. Use some username and I'll call it as storage user1, something like that. Password, auto generate password or create new password, either of auto generate password or new password, either of them will do. Click on create. What we are doing now? We are creating a new user. Simple. Go home. Click on Azure Active Directory. Left side user. Then right side new user.
एक ने 3 जण देते आणि त्या दिवशी आता मी गेलो होतो मी तुला बोललो होतो आपला होता त्याला म्हटलं सांगतो म्हणून काय परत आला पण नाही उलट मला माझा युजर आयडी विचारत होतो म्हटलं आपल्या माझं हे करून घे.
I'll say for example
लोक पैसे कमवत असतील तुम्ही आम्हाला
I'll say storage user.
सांगायचं सगळेजण ऑपरेशन घेत आहे मला ते बोलले
याने लावलं एक लोकांनी कोणाचं आहे काय माहिती ते वेळेचं लाईट म्हणून कनेक्शन घेतलं त्याने.
मग सांगायचं ना पण आम्हाला त्याचं काय घेणं नाही फक्त तुम्ही कोणाकडून कंडिशन घेताय का
Once we have this
तर आम्हाला बिल्डिंगला द्या बस
what next?
मीटिंग मध्ये ठरलंय म्हणून असं तुम्ही त्यात तोड व्हायचं ना लगेच
You would like to. For now, we are creating a new user. Yes, you would like to give access to your colleagues or other members, other Azure developers or data scientists or DevOps.
दुसऱ्यांकडनं घ्यायचं का तीन जण आहेत आम्हाला 3 जण तिघांचं भाडं पाहिजे
Here it is. Go to storage account.
लगेच सिरियस घेत असतं लोक फायदे घेत आहेत
Similar to task at various levels, account level, container level, file level. Here, IAM also we have different. Right now we are at account level IAM. Go to IAM. Click on IAM. Next. Add role assignment. This one. Add role assignment. Click on add role assignment. Give owner means complete permission. Give owner role complete permissions. Owner to whom? To members. Click on select member and I'll say the storage members we created today. Like storage user 1, storage user 2, like and select. So role and members. Click on review plus assign. Review plus assign. Click on review plus assign like. Where we are now. Go to storage account. Go to storage account. Then IAM. Then add role assignment. This is the complete account level. Same way, for example, we have containers. Click on container. Same as that. Here you see IAM, right? Click on IAM. Okay. Click on IAM. Add role assigned. For example, distributor. Observe that. Go to contributor members. Go to members and next click on select members. So here we go. Click on select members. Whatever members you select and click add. Review plus assign, same process, no difference. Click review plus assign. Storage account level IAM. Now container level IAM. Next. Go to container overview page. And here you see file, right? Particular file. Right click file. We don't see any IAM. We have SAM, but no IAM. You click on the file. Observe carefully. Account level and container level. File level, we have only SAM. No IAM. Moment. When to use it? We have three options now, right? Access key, SAS key, IAM. When to use which? Here you go. I'll make you all these notes today anyway. And when to use which security option? For complete admin level permission, if the client or the user is an Azure user or Azure account holder, IAM owner role. Non-Azure member access key.
सही ये सही
For restricted permission,
चलिए बेटा
okay,
ये लवकर चल
the client or user is an Azure user, then R track. Which role, like contributor role or reader role. Owner means all permissions. Contributor means complete permissions except security. Contributor means complete permissions on the storage and except security. Reader read permissions on that particular account, like complete account or container. For restricted permissions, non-Azure users use SAS. With this information, let's understand now a use case scenario for access. Before we proceed, any questions that we know? I'll wait.
No, sir.
Are we clear so far?
The security options, when to use which ones again.
Yeah, on the Azure user, admin permission, owner, IAM, owner role. Non-Azure user, admin permission, and are you clear here? Let me know. First one.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. Restricted means read or write permission. Read or write permission means reader, contributor. Azure user use contributor or reader permission. Go to storage account, IAM, add role. We see something called owner, contributor, reader. Remaining all for other resources. DevOps, and desktop virtualization sector. Completely different. Storage we require these. Radar are
Say
considered
would
for
इकडे
Azure use. For non-Azure users, SaaS. Are you clear now? Let's know 40.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right. Next question is, I'll read the one question. Yes, so what owner permission. Owner and admin. Owner admin. We should be admin. We should be the admin. Manage permissions from others. Fine. We'll continue. That's everyone. Please. We'll continue next time.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes. Hope you all have SQL server with you, right? Everyone, please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
सर
Perfect. I'll mail you one sample database. You may take any database of your choice. I shall mail you one sample database. You may take 14 or higher version. 2017 or higher. Okay, so here it is. (2017) or higher. You'll be given one sample database. Okay, you'll be given one sample data. Right click our requirement to migrate this database to Azure. Right? No, on-premise to Azure migration. Right click database and here you see something called export data sheet. Okay. Right click database export data sheet. Big. Export data sheet. Next. Right click database export data sheet. And save to Azure. Right click database export data here. Save to Azure. Also requirement migrate data. Click on connect. Last key for the account name and the account key. Storage account name. Whatever account you have. This is that particular account. We need to provide the key to write the database backup files. Backpack we call backup packaging files. Backup packaging files. Okay, so here we account. For account key, go to storage account. Access key or write tab, write permission tab. So copy this account. Remember, we are outside Azure right now. Right? We are from our local SQL server environment. So we need to establish trusted connection to Azure account from our local computer, our local tool, SSML. So either SAS key, write permissions, or access. I would like to save this account key for future use. And click connect. Just provide a valid key. Just make sure no extra space, no extra space, and copy the key and paste. Make sure no extra space. Now in this storage account, there is a container, right? Select the container. Okay, we need to get the container automatically. One file would be auto-generated. One file would be auto-generated with your database name, extension BACPS, backpack record. Say next. At on, you select all tables. You may also uncheck the tables you don't want to migrate. Or for now, you select all tables. In your source database, sample source database you received today, it contains 4 tables. These put to the 4 tables. Customer, product, sales, and time. Any database you may consider next. What we are doing now, we are exporting, taking a special type of backup of the database that is understandable by SQL. We call it as backpack record, BACPS. What we are doing now, how to get the screen? Come on, do you remember? Right click database, what next? Contact.
Yes.
Click on export
Exactly application.
export data here. What's the extension? BACPS.
Yes, BAC.
Yeah. Backpack means migration. And DevOps engineers will be there, right? DevOps team, they use backpack. BACPS. I repeat, admins and engineers will use backpack. DevOps, data engineers and database admins will use this one, backpack. DevOps admins, DevOps engineers will use backpack. DAC. That is different. DAC we call it. Backpack. It's mainly for deployment activity. Okay, just in case you come across any job description, be cautious. Is it backpack or backpack? BACPS is for DevOps, for application. Version control. We deploy the database today, and next time version changes. Next time version changes. Next time version changes. Right. In DevOps, what we do, we simply merge all the versions. Deployment engineer. I repeat again. This one, export data key. One time export. No versioning, no merging, only one time export of production data. Size, no limit. It would take time to generate the backpack file depending on the volume of data. But the storage account has 512 terabyte space. Remember, where we are storing? We are storing this backpack file in our storage account. 512 terabyte regular storage account. You remember? Save press and lake storage account is created. It has unlimited space. Regular storage account 512 terabyte. For entire storage account capacity, data lake, no such space, unlimited space. So no bar, no restriction for the database type. Attendees are writing their running notes. BAC, backpack, migration. BAC, backpack, DevOps, and version control. That's good to maintain our own observation note. Please, let's continue. What we will do? Go to storage account and container. Verify that you have the backpack file. This is the one, right? Today. Are we clear so far? I'll wait, please. Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Sir, I have sir, in the containers, you have a .csv file, sir. How we get the CSV files in these containers, sir?
Yesterday's class. This one. Upload. Okay. Upload. Here. Click on this file. I uploaded this file. It's click. Already exists in it. I just uploaded different file. And now I will show you sales data. Thank you, survey. Here we got a backup file to the container. So actually, we have exported the database. So we have to export this backup file into our Azure database. This exactly in the output. Okay, we didn't complete the examples. I just give it one information. Okay.
So right now, we just created the backpack.
Yes, just generated the backpack. Exactly. Yeah. We got a backup. You have to restore it now. Thank you, sir. Right. But are we clear so far, please? And we are we clear so far?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
With our requirement, we have to migrate the database to Azure SQL Server, I said. So, create resource. You remember this? Day for yesterday. We created a resource day for yesterday, right? Storage account, data like storage account. You remember? Day for yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Save way SQL Server, logical server. What is it? It is Azure SQL Server. Click on SQL Server, logical server. Other one is called virtual machine. SQL Server, logical server, SQL Server, video. There are two ways. And third one, managed. For now, logical SQL Server. This is required for data warehouse activity. Click on create. Click on create. Click on create. Next. Resource group. Any resource group of your choice, server name. I'll say Azure SQL Server. Use some name. It should be unique in the entire Azure. Use some name. Any name is fine. Any location? Admin name and password. Admin name and password. Like your admin name password. Next. You do the admin name password. Click review plus create. And click create. Like admin name password. Review plus create. Click create. Once we create in this way, what we are doing here, observe there. Create resource, server name, admin name, password. Okay, only three things. Server name, admin name, password. Only three things. You create it. Once done, our next step. Okay, so here we go. Once we get this created, remember earlier we said export, right? Earlier we said export. Now we need to import from SQL server using SSMS. I'll just put this way a small modification to our nodes. This is not required. Earlier days, we used to get it through Explorer tools manual upload. Now it's not the case. We don't require it. Well, so here we go. To directly upload. Okay, so here we go. Just make sure. Put this better. Well, so here we go. From one, we generate something called backpack file, right? From one, we generate something called as a backpack file. Once we generate the backpack file, what we do? Yes, automatically uploaded to storage account. I will look at it carefully. I'll wait. Once your storage account has the backpack file, now what we need to do? We need to simply import. Have a look at how to import. Storage account backpack file is ready. Then Azure SQL server ready. What are the ingredients for creating Azure SQL server? Server name, admin name, password. Once your server is ready, okay, once your server is ready, next. Okay, this is information. This is import. Remember, earlier we said export. From source we said export. Here it has to be import. Are we getting it? I'll wait.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes, yes.
okay. Click on it. Small shop. Azure SQL server is visible for access. By default, Azure SQL server will be disabled for access, so you cannot directly import. We need to click on networking. See here. Click on networking and something called firewall rule. Add firewall rule. Give some IP address. For time being, I'll give 0 to 255 IP address line. Observe carefully. By default, Azure SQL Server is disabled for access. You give start and IP address. Click save. Click save. Okay, next. In reality, your Azure admins will be providing you the relevant IP address. IP address by various keys. They have just UFC. For now, give 0 to 255. How to get the screen? Go to server. Come on, what next? Networking, right? This one. So networking. Show network setting and then IP address. Add firewall. Go back to our view. Before that, no database. Here we see no database, right? No database out. Let's import the data. Initially, server has no database, empty. Now import. From where they have to import? One and only one source, storage account. Click on backup. Where is backup? It automatically asks you for the storage account. So our primary resource, storage account, is a mediator between local SQL server on-premise, your company's data center, and Azure SQL server. Are we getting it now, everyone? Yes. Are we getting the concept? I'll wait.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Fine. Storage account is a common mediator, common staging area between your local on-premise environment and Azure environment for database migration. What we need? Select the storage account and the container. Backpack file is selected. Pricing there, you may just leave it as it is. Admin login name, password. Provide the admin login and password like. Just leave the remainings as they come. What we are doing now, we are creating a database. Simply, we are recreating a database from existing backup file. How? By import. Click OK. Database import in progress. Submit it. It would take some time and we should be able to see the data. Let's wait. Sorry, that's not in the statement. You continue, sorry. Please continue. I forgot.
Sorry, you said in general purpose for the setting, right? If the database size is large, you do have to just type video.
Click on backpack, the site will automatically. You need not fix. Well, let's wait for some time. I'll take it to resource once again. We'll go for questions after some time. Complete the example. Remember, here I got it. Only request is something. And take some your database in the entry database. Make sure the status is on. Now who will do this? Database developers. It is administrator's job. Sometimes developers must do a job to do the migration in general. This is what they call the database migration. We involve in something called warehouse migration. That's a separate topic altogether. Warehouse migrations are different. Database, enterprise databases taken care by developers and yes, after but we are managing the storage. It is called warehouse migration. That requires a separate item altogether called Synapse Studio. Today we are taking Management Studio, right? Just to understand the use of storage account for developers and administrators in general. We involve in something called warehouse migration. Completely a different topic, different tool. Okay. So sometimes we may get request from dev admin team for storage account. We need to supply them with storage account key and the content, and they are going to use the storage account in this way for my number. We'll stop for today. Let's go for questions now and mock test. Done all your objectives. If you done or still complete by weekend, tell me please. Done or please. There is other
Weekend.
by Monday before the class, please. Okay, before the class. Yes, please. Other yes, please.
Yeah. Sure. The question about
Tell me, brother.
online infrastructure. So in a production setting, is it preferable to use on-prem database or is it preferable to migrate it to Azure and use it, like in terms of cost perspective and ongoing increase of cost perspective?
Warehouse Azure is better. Azure logical server better. OLTP managed instance is better. OLTP.
Because that is being like one of the bottlenecks for new environments to start up, right? Like every time we ask them to set up an application with SQL Server as a backend, they have to spend like $10,000 to set up their environment. That is stopping them from using.
I don't think so. That's older. New games already available.
Deepika?
SQL Server
Print out the
license cost is reduced drastically now. Answer on your managed instance, ERs, PaaS, and local. Preference, the red box, right side. Managed instance is always a better option. But after OLT, of course, our course is into warehouse. If in case into development or administration, then yes, prefer to always go for Azure MI for best performance. Everything automatic.
And this is something we cover in this course or
Azure MI separate course. Separate course, 1 month. Separate course altogether. The OLT, then there is a
one question.
yes. Please tell me, brother, please.
It's about this big time database code. First, we make the storage account.
Yeah.
After that, we make a container. And into the container, we put the database.
Exactly.
Now,
Correct.
now if we import one, we put one more database.
Yeah.
So we will make a separate container or
Not exact. Same center is okay. But anyway, the backpack file name will change. because it's a separate database, right? New database. So new batch.
मी कांसे सेक्शनला राहते. कुठे राहते?
So the on-premise
Kansai,
database SQL server
Kansai.
we have within the SQL server
कांसे
database.
सेक्शनला राहते.
So here we
MP
have
gate जवळ.
some container. So this container
ट्रेन जाते ना तिकडं.
is located
त्याला गेट
we have
म्हणतात.
within
तिथे गेट बघितलं वरती जातं ते.
and then import all our
बघितलंय का नाही?
Yes, we can. Yeah.
इकडे
Inside the
गार्डन जवळ
option, like you're going for secured
गेट
access.
नाहीये.
Better
ट्रेन
to
जाते
secure
तेव्हा
a
असं ते
single
वरती होतं.
container, right?
असं परत खालती होऊन जातं.
So container level access.
बघितलंय का नाही?
you can give access to the container.
Exactly. For starting the first half of the class today, container level access. So for admins and developers, you can give access to that container, right? They can use it in a service. Got it. Asking multiple container. One container is out.
म्हणजे पाऊस
One container.
Out. And also once we host it, one container we have two databases. This databases can communicate with each other.
No, independent. It's container as just like folder. Folder has multiple files. Here container also has multiple files. So independently.
So my question is, right, there's a and DB2. Can we read a table in DB2, DB1? Or a
No,
DB1?
no, it is container. Yeah, I got your question. Answer is independent. Got the mail, everyone? Please.
Yes, sir, I got it.
Please, second. Please, second. Please, I'll wait, please.
No, sir, I didn't get it.
Yes, sir, get it.
And someone asked me about certifications in Azure. I don't remember exactly. Someone asked me on WhatsApp yesterday. Yeah, here it is.
I didn't get your email.
Might be on. Please refresh and please check your email again. Yeah. Someone asked me about certifications in Azure. We have Agent series, DP series, and 3L series. Three different series in Azure. This is not the complete thing. These are the prominent certifications we provide them. And here we are right now. They are all independent. We are to dip it both. Yes. Fine, friends. Thank you. Please practice all the items. Anyone had to receive the mail, please let me know. Please tell me.
I did not receive your email.
No, sir, I didn't get the email.
Oh, please refresh. I forgot to press. Please refresh report. Please see the first report. On your promotions. Please check your spam. I'll wait for some time.
Yeah, I have a question.
Please.
So, yeah, in on-premise database, when we right-click on the database which we want to migrate, on the task we have one more option like deploy database to direct Microsoft Azure SQL database, right? Can't we use that, or we have to go through this export process?
Well, actually, the interest of today's class is to understand the practical use of storage account. In what scenarios we use storage account? That's the actual interest.
Okay.
But still, yes, you can do that. You can directly deploy it. But if it is a bigger database, it won't work. The deploy database has only 2 GB basic plan capacity limitation.
Okay, with limited, if we have less than 2 GB and it doesn't require the access key also, right?
Yeah, up to 2 GB, yes, whatever is that is fine. You know, you can directly have the deployment activities. Directly, we can do that. Okay. But if it is like bigger databases, better to always go for the backpack. Okay, because you know,
So even I did not receive your email.
please refresh. Once again, I'll wait. This one, madam. For 2 GB basic plan we call. Up to 2 GB, your regular direct SSMS deployment will work. Up to 2 GB. Yeah, because it is going to cache all data into your SSMS, memory. Okay, that's a problem. On bigger databases, go for backpack.
Please send your email.
Sorry to make you wait.
Yeah, we didn't receive.
I'll resend it. Oh, took some time. Others, please check it. Please check it. I'll wait. Please check it.
But I have a
Oh.
question.
Tell me, madam.
Sir,
I'm listening. Tell me.
sir, can we do the same process for the managed instance too?
Well, like managed instance, it will be a bit different process, madam, because managed instance is more into VM kind of thing. Okay, it's a VM, virtual machine kind of. A managed instance cannot directly connect your storage account. No. So answer is no, we cannot. For Azure, Azure MI, we need to configure something called as virtual machine separate. We need to configure. Because the architecture is entirely different over there in Azure MI. I think something like this. We need to have something called VDMs. SSMS to Azure MI through 3 different bridges we need to configure. It's not straightforward, madam. Okay, it's not straightforward. It's not this way. It requires additional gateway components. Gateway. Yeah. If you have heard about gateways, we call them data gateways. We call.
Yes, sir, but I did not work on this.
Just looking for Azure MI, that's to take a screenshot. These are the keywords of Azure MI. But in case, there we call them as this one, peer connections we call. If you have peer connections to do the migration, Azure manage. I was giving them circuits, right? Those are called subnets. Subnets with peer connections.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Next question, please. Got the mail, everyone? Please let me know, please. I'll wait, please. Did you receive the mail?
Yes, sir. Also,
Sorry to make a wait. Please refresh, please refresh.
yes,
Please.
sir, I got it now. Thank you, sir.
Fine, madam,
Yes.
fine. Thank you. Please complete all your class items before next class. Help. If you receive it, other, please let me know, please. Other, receive it.
Yeah, Sai, for DP 203 certificate, 900 is required,
Right,
mandatory. Hello,
Not required. Not required. Reason.
not required. Okay.
Yeah, Sagar, it's not required. Reason, most of the components of the fundamental Azure fundamentals are also included in DP2. No difference.
Okay. Not even like any dependence on any other certificate, right? So data fundamental and 203 is different, two different, right?
Exactly, they are different. No dependence.
Okay, thanks.
No dependence. Fine, thank you. Please complete all your practice meeting tomorrow. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you. Please complete practice.
Sir, are we meeting tomorrow?
No, Monday. Sorry, Monday.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
On Monday. Thank you so much. Please practice always.